तुम लोगों को कोई तकलीफ है और ना ही मैं शबरी हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा नाम रागिनी है।
Horror movies are meant to scare you, whereas comedy movies are meant to make you laugh. But some movies can scare you as well as make you laugh.
I'm so scared.
It's all right. It's okay. Hey, don't be scared. You're safe. We're here. This is Hardik and Bunny.
Hi.
Bunny.
Yes, we are talking about the horror comedy genre. And this time, Media Hits came up with the Bollywood top 10 horror comedy movies of all the time. And here are some of the horror comedy films that you must watch.
अब लगा डर हो गई चड्डी गीली।
Number 10, Gang of Ghosts.
आपको पता नहीं होगा, फिल्म प्रोड्यूसर की लाइफ बेंचो बहुत खराब होती है। डायरेक्टर के पीछे स्क्रिप्ट के लिए भागो, हीरो के पीछे डेट्स के लिए भागो, हीरोइन के पीछे पूरे कपड़े पहनाने के लिए भागो। भागने का इतना एक्सपीरियंस हो जाता है बेंचो, प्रोड्यूसर को ओलंपिक्स में भेज दो तो गोल्ड मेडल पक्का।
Sir, why does he speak of benches in every single sentence?
Because this Pancho does not deserve to be here. Out! Reject him!
क्यों सर?
जो ये क्या किया?
A leading lady called Ragini once fainted in middle of a shoot in an old dilapidated house. A year later, a young filmmaker named Aditya Parambraj Chatterjee visits the same place to shoot for a film again. He bumps into a struggling writer named Raju Sharman Joshi, whom he knows from before, who narrates to him the script of a film he has written about the same house, picking up the fact that the house is haunted by the spirit of its owner Rai Bahadur Anupam Kher. The film tells the story of how excessive commercialization is creating a crisis for the ghosts in Mumbai who have nowhere to go because all the haunted houses are fast depleting and being converted into high-rises and multiplexes. How is the crisis of ghosts a canvas for a Bollywood potboiler is what the Raju stories is all about.
ये घर शापित है। मिल मजदूरों के हाथों कहना मल जी के मारे जाने के बाद कहना मल की अतृप्त आत्मा इस घर में भटक रही है।
Number 9, Great Grand Masti.
अगर आधी रात को ही बोलोगे तो भी मैं दौड़ी चली आऊंगी। जो आप कहोगे वो करूंगी, जहां आप बोलोगे वहां करूंगी, जैसे आप कहोगे वैसे करूंगी।
बस कर पगली, ज्वाइनिंग के दिन प्रमोशन लेगी क्या?
Amar Ritesh Deshmukh, meet Vivek Oberoi and Prem Aftab Shivdasani are three friends whose conjugal lives are not going as they would have loved them to go. The three friends run into Shiny, Sonali Raut, a maid, and they are bowled over and decided to go her hometown Dudwari, which according to them would have more Shinies for fun. Incidentally, Amar has a mansion in Dudwari where they decided to spend their time. Unknown to them, the mansion is haunted by an evil spirit, Ragini SMS Urvashi Rotela, who died a virgin. Now Ragini traps the three guys and lays a condition that one of them should help her lose her virginity and travel to the afterworld with her, while the other two will be left alive. The three boys in search of fun will fall into bigger troubles as their fantasy adventure will take them to the world of horror. A great cocktail of sex, comedy and horror.
तुम्हें मेरी ताकत का अंदाजा नहीं है। अगर मैं चाहती तो तुमसे कुछ भी करवा लेती, कुछ भी। लेकिन मस्ती का मजा जबरदस्ती में नहीं।
Number 8, हम तुम और Ghost.
I'm dead. And you see dead people.
Oh shit!
Arman Arshad Wasi's life was picture perfect. He has a doting girlfriend Gehna Dia Mirza. But there was a problem. Arman hears voices. More importantly, voices that nobody else can hear.
Oh shit!
Gehna is irritated with his weird behavior Add to that, her father constantly berates him for his fondness for the bottle. No one seems to understand his predicament. What puzzles everyone is the fact that he talks to himself, or rather he talks to people who no one can see, simply because they don't live. Soon, Arman becomes aware of his special ability to connect with the dead.
क्या हुआ? डर क्यों रहे हो? क्योंकि तुम भूत हो? तो तुम लोगों ने क्या समझ रखा है? हैं? कि इंसान जब मरता है तो उसे डराने की बीमारी हो जाती है?
Number 7. तूतक तूतक तूतिया.
ये मेरा घर है. मेरी मर्जी के बगैर आ तो गए, जा नहीं सकते.
Krishna Prabhudeva is a 34-year-old sales guy whose only dream is to marry a modern girl. His family gets him married to a village belle. Devi Tamanna is the sanskari girl who doesn't ask questions in spite of her husband being embarrassed of her. Things get fishy when the couple moves into a new house where a previous tenant has committed suicide.
सुबह से यहाँ वहाँ घूम रहे हो? ऑफिस नहीं जाना?
नहीं मैडम.
मैंने तो सिर्फ अपने लिए खाना बनाया है. पता होता तो आप 10 बज गए. देवी को तुम ले जाओगे या मैं ले जाऊं? वैसे तो मैं भिंडी भी बना सकती हूँ, पर आपको भिंडी पसंद नहीं है तो मैं शायद कुछ और भी बनाऊं.
कुछ नहीं.
किधर?
पिकनिक.
The flat he moves in is haunted, and Devi's sudden makeover is due to the fact that she is possessed by the ghost called Ruby. Also, there is a superstar Raj Khanna Sonu Sood who is in love with Ruby. Who is Ruby? What does Ruby want? What does Raj have to do with Ruby? Or is there actually a ghost? Or is Devi playing a prank on Krishna? Tutak Tutak Tutiya is a horror comedy, is also a rare comedy on ghost.
तुम हीरोइन, बॉडी देवी का.
भूत के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेगा?
भूत एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं ना.
मैं नहीं मानूंगी. मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानूंगी.
Number 6. भूतनाथ.
मैं तुम्हें यहाँ से भगाने आया हूँ.
हमारा घर है.
मेरा घर है.
हमारा घर है.
कौन है? मेरा घर है.
धीरे धीरे, अगर मम्मा सुन लेंगी तो ये किसी का घर नहीं रहेगा.
4 फुट 2 इंच.
This is a story of Banku, Aman Siddiqui and his friend Kailash Nath Bhutnath Amitabh Bachchan. Banku's family, Sarki Juhi Chawla, comes to live in a mansion in Goa, considered haunted after the demise of the patriarch of the family. The spirit uses every rule in the book to scare the kid, but the kid is unaffected by it all. Slowly, a bond develops between the two. The story takes a turn when Kailash Nath's sons Priyanshu decide to sell off the mansion. It's quite a riot of fun that a 60+ ghost and a 7-something kids manage to kick off with their escapades in a spooky haveli on the outskirts of Goa.
चल दम लगा.
Number 5. चमत्कार.
पेंशन में हमारे कान भी बजने लगे हैं. कब्र में से भी कभी कोई बोलता है क्या? ना.
तो तुम मेरी आवाज सुन रहे हो?
कौन है? कौन है?
Sundar Shah Rukh Khan is a village school teacher who is tricked out of his property by an old friend who promises him a job in Dubai. Arriving at his new job, he finds instead that his friend has sent a letter explaining that there is no job. Broke and feeling sorry for himself, he winds up that night in a cemetery, where he inadvertently awakens the ghost of a murdered criminal named Marco, who engages his help to pay back the traitorous thugs who executed him 20 years before. Guided by Marco's ghost, Sundar gets a job at the college that is headed by the Marco's father-in-law and helps Marco settle all his old score and earns the right to go to heaven.
पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर से ऐसा मजाक अभी दिखाता हूँ.
Number 4. Go Goa Gone.
वहाँ जाएंगे, लूना को लेंगे, साथ साथ निकलेंगे ना.
वहां जाएंगे.
बे साले वहां से यहाँ आते आते गांड फट गई है, अब तेरे को बाहर करना है।
छोड़ के थोड़ी जा सकते हो, उनको हेल्प करना पड़ेगा ना।
Hardik, Kunal Khemu and Lovey Das are two dopheads who tag along to Goa with their buddy Bunny Anand Tiwari on his business trip. Love come across a free-spirited girl, Luna Pooja Gupta, who casually invites them to an exclusive underground rave party on a remote island.
तुम infected हो।
What? How?
You make sex with zombie.
वो पहले था, तभी वो ठीक थी, अभी मैं ठीक हूँ। हाँ ठीक हूँ।
The party is headed by the macho Indo-Russian mafioso Boris Saif Ali Khan. But something is not right on this island. All of a sudden, they are accosted by zombies. Where did these zombies come from? And who is Boris really? And why has this cold-hearted drug-dealing don come to save their lives? Together, they need to get out the infected island. Go Goa Gone Movies is an unusual mixture of hilarious comedies, silk action and zombies.
बोरी जी, वो साइन समझ में नहीं आ रहे। 2 words sounds like roundabout।
हिंदी इंग्लिश।
प्रेस की आंख। जंगल के बीच में डम शरारत तो नहीं खेलूंगा ना। हर सिग्नल का एक ही मतलब होता है, खतरा है। अब चुप फकिंग हो जा और चुप जा।
Number 3. Bhootnath Returns.
जो खड़ा हो रहा है,
जो कैंडिडेट इलेक्शन में खड़ा हो रहा है,
यस,
उसे जिंदा भी होना चाहिए।
नहीं, किसी किताब में, never।
थैंक यू।
Bhootnath Returns takes Bhootnath's Amitabh Bachchan story forward. As he returned to Bhoot World, Bhootnath is greeted with taunts and condemnation from other ghosts for bringing disrepute to ghost community for getting bullied by a kid on Earth. Post the humiliation, Bhootnath decides to redeem himself and come back to scare a bunch of kids. Bhootnath's search for kids brings him to Akrod Path Bhalirao, a slum kid who is also the only person who can see him. Together, they agree to help each other, and their friendship sees them get involved in a cause that is bigger than they had ever imagined. To move ahead, they lock horns with the powerful and corrupt politician, Bhau Bomani Rani. The Lok Sabha election are nearing and Bhau's victory is a mere formality, or is it?
अब मैं वो करूंगा जिसे तूने कभी करने की कोशिश तक नहीं की।
न्यूज देखते रहना।
Number 2. Bhoot Bangla.
तेरे को डर लगता है?
हाँ। नहीं, हाँ, मैं किसी भूत से नहीं डरता।
तो सुन, अब जैसा मैं बोलता हूँ वैसा कर। चुपचाप मेरे पीछे आ।
आता हूँ।
Mystery surrounds a house which is reportedly haunted by singing and dancing ghosts and ghouls. Rekha, Tanuja, is a young woman whose father dies under strange circumstances. Strange phone calls tells her that she is next to be murdered. Her youth club friend Mohan, Mahmood and other group members help her discover what the connection between the murder of her family members and a killing that took place in her ancestral home over 50 years ago.
हाँ? इस बंगले में सचमुच कोई है?
Number 1. Bhool Bhulaiya. When US-based Siddharth visits his Indian hometown with his new wife, he insists they stay at the ancestral home, laughing off the family members' warnings of ghostly going on in the mansion. But events soon make him reconsider his belief, as unexplained and terrifying occurrences arise. Siddharth calls on his friend Dr. Aditya Srivastava to help to solve the mystery. What will be the outcome? Will Siddharth's friend be able to solve the riddle? The story was excellent. It made a great mix of Indian culture and superstitious, with psychiatric explanation.
क्या रे तू नाक में दम कर रखा तूने? हाँ, विक्रम बेताल का खेल खेल रहा हूं मैं तेरे साथ। मैं जहां जाता हूं मेरी गर्दन पे आके बैठ जाता है। शर्म नहीं आती तुझे?
So it's all about this time listing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And for more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel Media Hits.
भाव आपके खिलाफ भूत में पर्चा भरा है।